In this video, I will show with you step by step how to trade in XTrend Speed. So friends, if you want to start a trade, go to Google, search for XTrend Speed. This is the keyword. Click the first website here. This is the official platform website. You will see this page. From this page, click on trade section. As you can see, start on trade. From here, you can start a trading. You have a BTC, Ethereum, and Euro, USD. You have a lot of option here. You can start a buy and sell. If you want to buy, click buy this option. Choose the market order you want to buy. You have limit order, market order. You have leverage. You can choose leverage from here. You can set up, take a profit, my credit payment method for your credits, and you can place your order, choose your amount you want to trade. So you can also sell from this option. Click on sell. You have limit order, market order, leverage, stop loss. You can place order. Basically, it is simple to start trading. I hope this guide helpful for you. You can trade forex also. See you on other videos.